Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be so exciting. As you can see by the title, I'm going to Hawaii. I leave, today's Friday, May 10th, I think? Yeah, today's Friday, May 10th, and I leave Sunday, May 11th. May 12th, not 11th. I thought I left tomorrow, but I don't. So I've got to get my nails and toes done. I got to get a spray tan. I got my lashes done last week, so we're good on that. And I think that's it. And then I just got to pack. So I thought I would take you along with me to go get those things done and run some errands and then come home and pack because we got a lot to pack. I'm literally going to be there for like 11 days. So I've got to pack a lot. This is my first time going to Hawaii and I'm like so freaking excited. I just got done with exams yesterday. I'm posting a Q&A before this video. So in that video, I said that if you want me to do like a dedicated video to like see how my second semester really like went and all that, like an in-depth video, then just let me know. But I look a little crazy right now. I just have tinted moisturizer on and I need to pack makeup wipes so I can take that off once I get a spray tan. But I didn't want to like go barefaced all day today. I don't know. And my neck is red. I was like scratching it, so just ignore that. I'm meeting my mom for lunch right now, and then we're gonna go get nails done. But I'm just packing this bag. I've got makeup wipes, my spray tan primer, spray tan goggles for my eyelashes, and shorts and t-shirt to change into so I don't have to like get this dirty. But my outfit is not anything crazy today. It's literally just Adidas shorts and a white top. I've got to put that away, but I'm trying not to do that until I start packing because some of that stuff I'm just gonna pack. So like, why would I put it in drawers and hang it up when I'm just gonna put it in a suitcase? So I am so proud of myself yesterday. I had 2 finals. I did 6 loads of laundry and I edited a video, filmed a video, and did some work. I did so much yesterday, but when I did my laundry, I washed my comforter right here, and because I had like self tan on it, and then I put it like in the dryer, like on low, like tumble dried it on low for a little bit, but I didn't get it completely dry. So I did my sheets too, by the way, but not together. I did them separate. And when I got into bed, my sheets were wet because this was still wet, so it like soaked through. So I had to like sleep with this blanket instead of the comforter, and I'm honestly gonna have to do that tonight because this is white and I'll be spray tanned, so I don't want to like get my comforter brown again. So I'm just gonna like flip this off and just use that. So not that anybody cared at all, but yeah, I haven't had breakfast yet. I don't eat breakfast ever, actually. Fun fact. So yeah, I'm about to head out. Hi guys, so I'm on my phone because I left my camera at home. Don't ask me why. Honestly, don't know. I forgot it. I'm in the car right now. My mom's here. Well, she's not here right now. She went to go get a coffee at a local coffee shop, and then she's going to take me to Starbucks because I guess we just have different coffee preferences. But I just got my nails done. I didn't vlog in the nail salon because it was so freaking busy, and I didn't want to like make anybody feel like awkward if I was like recording them. So I just didn't. I like got one little clip, but I just got this pink color, and I'm pale right now, so it doesn't look that bright, but once I'm like tan, it's gonna look so bright. And I just got the same color on my toes, or like a similar pink, pink and pink, because I don't know, I just felt like it was appropriate for Hawaii, like pink. Is that weird? But yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys. I'm going to go get coffee and then get my spray tan. Yeah. Oh my god, I look crazy. Oh my god. How long has that been like that? Hi guys, I just got back. It is now 6:40. I was supposed to pack tonight, and this was gonna be like Hawaii prep. Pack with me. But, and it still is, but I just have to wait till tomorrow to pack just because I'm going out tonight and I'm not gonna have time to pack. I need to film a video. Life is really crazy right now. I've got to film a video because it's with a brand, and by the time I get back from my trip, like it'll be like almost to the deadline of when the video needs to be up, so I gotta do that tonight and get ready. I just got spray tanned, as you guys saw. It looks really good. It's gonna develop a lot darker, but I look crazy. I'm gonna have to put makeup on over this, and I'm supposed to shower it off in like 6 hours, but I'm not gonna be home, and I just like don't know what to do. I have like almost 2 hours before my friend's gonna come pick me up, and we're gonna go out. But I got some stuff. I got Chick-fil-A for dinner, and then I got a package from Sephora, and I went to Sephora, and this is just my check for work, but I just want to show you the stuff that I got. So I bought my mom something for Mother's Day, so that's why we went, something that she had been wanting. So, but while I was there, I just picked up the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, and I got the shade Nude. I have Bisque, which is darker than Nude, and it like looks really good in the summer, but like sometimes, I don't know, I just wanted this one because it's a little bit lighter and it's a little bit more like cool, whereas the one Bisque is like really, really warm, but I still really like the shade that I have, so I don't know, I just got another one, whatever. And then I got the Super Goop SPF. This will probably be in a haul later on, like in a future video, but I just want to show you that right now, little sneak peek for a haul. And yeah, and then I got a package from Sephora, but I might just wait to show you guys that later because I don't really feel like opening it right now. I'm like sweating. I hung a wreath up on my door because I got 2 wreaths today at Pier 1, because at my apartment complex, it's just like the tradition, like just like the norm to have a wreath up on your door, and if you don't, like you're not cool. So I got a yellow wreath. It is gorgeous. I'll show you guys actually. I couldn't show you too much because then you would know like where I live and like my number and everything. So yeah, I've got a lot to do though. I've got to, oh my God, I've got to film a video, clean up here a little bit, eat, and get ready for tonight. I gotta do a lot tomorrow too since I didn't pack today. I'm like really stressed out, you guys, like I'm not gonna lie, but I'm going to go through the stuff that the company sent me and like check it out and eat, and I'll catch you guys later. Hi guys, so it is the next day, and I am currently packing. It's 4 in the afternoon, and I just thought that I would show you guys like what I'm packing for Hawaii because this is that kind of video. I'm just gonna do like an overview. I don't want to like spoil my outfits or anything, but I've got 3 dresses, a romper, and then like a little cute like matching set. I've got my sleep clothes. I just got 2 pairs of shorts, some sweatpants, and like 3 like t-shirts that I like to sleep in, a pair of jeans, 2 skirts, like 3 to 4 pairs of jean shorts, a bunch of tank tops, and a bunch of like tops. I got 1 sweater, and then my like little beach cover-ups, and then a bunch of bathing suits over there, and then underwear and stuff like that. I got my airport outfit. What else? I've got 2 pairs of sunglasses, but I have another one in my purse. And then in here I just have my toiletries, and then I have all of my skincare and vitamins and prescription stuff. So I've got all that in there. I'm bringing my Gucci slides, some like little random flip-flops, some Birkenstocks. The only thing left to do is put the stuff in my suitcase and pack my makeup up. And so I'm gonna do that here in a minute. I feel like crap today. I do not feel good at all. Sorry I didn't vlog last night. I went out with a bunch of people. That's my situation. That's why I'm not showing myself right now, because I just got out of the shower and I look really rough. All right, you guys, so I'm kind of packed up. I just wanna like show you an overview. On that side, I just have a few more packing cubes, and then my shoes, and then I have my curling iron and my belt. And then on this side I have all my packing cubes, and then I have a few things that I like forgot to throw in last minute, like a sweater and a top. I've got some, I've already showed you this, like my skincare and stuff. I just packed up my makeup, and then I've got a bag with like my sunscreen, my body oils, all that. Yeah, so I had to have like 3 bags for like skincare, makeup, and body oils because I'm freaking extra as crap. And then in my carry-on, it's not finished, but I'll have like my computer, and then I have some sunglasses in this pocket right here. I'll put my purse in here just because you're only allowed 1 personal item. This isn't gonna be a carry-on actually, I don't know why I said that. This is my personal item, and I'm gonna put my personal item in this personal item. So hey, that's a little life hack. I've got my Beats. I'm gonna put in all my chargers, and then my camera, like battery and camera equipment, stuff like that. But yeah, everything's coming together. I'm pretty sure I overpacked by a lot, but I'm gonna be there for quite a while, like 11 days. So I've got a lot of options, you know, so yeah, but I'm actually gonna get ready because I look horrible and I feel horrible. I didn't get home till 3 in the morning. So it's definitely catching up to me. I didn't get much sleep. All right, you guys, so it is a little while later and I'm all packed up. It's actually 11:30 at night and I need to head to my parents' house because I am staying the night over there and riding with them to the airport in the morning because we have to be there super early at like 5:30. So I'm gonna be vlogging the whole trip. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe and click that bell so you can see the Hawaii vlogs because it's gonna be awesome. But here is the finished product. Here's my like personal item carry on whatever, but it's really full. It's because my makeup bag's in there, but I'm gonna transfer that to here later. So that is it for this pack with me, prep with me for Hawaii vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye guys.